Ebusham for hi Ghana TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime video be say we upload some make be. Ebusham for.
Mama chat nano, but he's a good man. He's a good man. I'm not why.
Go broche on Kwame.
Ah, oba on frame.
On frame.
On your show biaso.
Debi.
On your show.
And now our position so na me na man share.
Na so dem I mo
share me bo bebre but as my father say, e be early days yet and I
politicians just ano motie. Politicians. Me nanu command me fi na come politicians for us.
Say we grab me so mama site back.
Their site. Concession. How the other.
Na me go reclamation. Reclamation is not casa.
Enka mesrew.
Mama go reclamation.
Prevention is better than cure enka. Reclamation e about to yet more people from koye. Would
Debbie.
And then one for seconds ma wundie. Hey.
As now even the general secretary, the regional secretary of the party, will say it is a bunch of four casse. As I see we are at the here almost saying Kwame.
Kokataso.
For proposal, bra.
And I walk at
I am pushing corner na kataswa. O mine who don't teach me.
You Mate. What convince me?
What convince me? I don't know if you can why
what convince me? What Unyanya yakwanya myeshira odada. Unyanya nyamyeshira. So what is your problem? I don't even want you to even peddle or meddle yourself with this kind of people. Don't even go there at all. Some kofu we kwa there me say don't even go there.
Obi aba o fancy say the bro be say they say cars na be wo gufie no person be horo cars keke mame.
Oh na nyanko ponse.
Oh because of you.
Oh na say no ko wo fleet. Wo fleet. Kwa kumebo a nyamyeshira wo say tam nyamye onyo de baby. Wo de nyamyeshira wo shira wo papa.
Yan kon sam no so na fe yen nkomo kakra. The Kumasi metropolitan. Sorry. Interesting there. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, their clinic, and 9 other health facilities have been shut down. It was on Tuesday, October 14, which was yesterday, by the Health Facilities and Regulatory Agency, HIFRA, as part of its ongoing enforcement exercise. In the Azadi, you are Bobiako. We have a Bobiako. Because what is that? Came in about where you shop.
Thank you.
Thank you. A Bobiako.
And enforce
Hefra for Ako. Almost clinic, almost. So free a hey. I want you run about. And I won't cook him. I make sure you. Udu reach police station now. Sunny.
Yes.
Oko from now. Sunny. Still I tell you, okay, me no. Oh yes, ufro suru no kakra be pono to one. Shall we sabenkum? I will send in fact. Obe won se care me clinic no.
I would want to fire service.
Ufro anu do fire service no.
And the baby am no na me dey be ho na clinic no.
And there's also a court. E wo honum.
Now the enforcement agency, and they enforce that agency to deal with the
yes,
roadmap.
No. But how is that possible?
Say,
here me better say, I'm a regulatory body. Ebeba say, I'm clinic, I'm on mono, and you're worthy of operating. You're shutting it down.
Are you not surprised?
More than surprised.
You see, this is the say Obama said with the we should allow the institutions to work. Are you not surprised? Say Kumasi
according to HIFRA, officials, the KMA clinic has been operating for several years without a valid license, a clear violation of the agency's regulatory standards. It is a KMA.
HIFRA for no more problem.
Mebo, we are violating this. Clinic violation.
Yes, and it's serious. And you're more serious. You are talking about health.
But that's serious.
It's more than serious.
You run there when you are in danger.
Yes.
When you think your health is failing you.
Maybe in a critical condition, you are going there to seek for help. You are going there for people to look after you and give you a certain kind of medicine to help you.
To me. That
is why I have a problem.
Yes.
Was it yes? 1 year for all these years.
And it can be 2, it can be 10, it can be 20, it can be 5, it can be 6.
We have 365 days within a year. A year, 365 days. Or my year, Juma pretty, whereby they don't have a valid license. So we better say,
this is Ghana clinic in Guazu. Other 18 health facilities account.
Remember, two company be credit says our company no so clinic. A company are respected in Ghana. a respected company always offer. What no ways no. Always say tam. Ne clinic on kama. This is Ghana for you. I say Ghana, we are never ever proactive. We are always reactive. This assembly that's a pressure near Biba. That is why we try to visit the matter. So ne came Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. We enforcement agencies sorry the amount of workshops at tum. Yes, obi ampaki obi chika no man near geno. Nippon need license. One night by be a crucial area whereby people come to seek for health facility and they have a problem with it. This is Ghana for you. Over.
Court discontinuous prosecution in Ahmed Swale's murder case. The Medina District Court has discharged the accused in the murder case of investigative journalist Ahmed Swale following a directive from the Attorney General's office. Ahmed Swale, a key member of the Tiger IPI, an investigative team, was shot and killed in January 2019 by an unknown assailant. His killing drew widespread condemnation and called for justice, but the case has since been made little progress. The suspect, Daniel Owusu Cranton, was arrested and charged with murder and abetment of murder in connection with the incident. However, during Tuesday's sitting on October 14th, the prosecutor chief inspector Nana Afua Bamfo informed the court that the Attorney General had advised that the case be discontinued. Following the prosecution's withdrawal, the presiding judge ordered that Daniel Owusu Cranton be discharged. The development is expected to reignite public debate over the state's commitment to securing justice for Ahmed Swale, whose murder remains unresolved more than 6 years on. Attorney General say, case, I don't know what the Attorney General has under his sleeves.
Yes.
But before fraud, any Bible check concerning Ahmed Swale case, and if your person discontinue way, and now say, there are fresh evidence be a poppy up, oh baby,
yes,
yeah, on him what he's going to do, and I'm all discontinue way. And it mean personal ratchets here.
Medas offer. What's my wakano? What the conditionality cross biaba?
Yes,
I mean, there be able or gather fresh evidence. But you see,
yes,
Senya Sapanet here, then who come to me as a surprise. Kagana. What would tell me none of Pabia to Darim? Senyamia more who one show who's you not a woo. Sabi who will not be one. Be a crown for us to do, you know, wouldn't you not so fast walk? Debia me cover. If you look at Ahmed Swale, he died on the 16th of January 2019. Debia me catch us as SMC or Ghana, and we try to do politics about it. The relevancy and the merit of the matter, we lose it. If you look at Ahmed Swale, who ya, a blue baby. Yes, so a politician, I want to take you back. Of what I'm saying, in the 2020 election, it played a key role. In the 2020 election, it played a key role. Let me take you back. Where Saturday, 28th of November 2020, and listen to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or say, NDC administration will bring Ahmed Swale killers to justice. Mahama. Now, where 28th of November 2020.
Abusiafo Kwame lawyer ha ene Kwame lawyer amene no yaba program wo City Hall na me say ayi Kennedy Japan ne kasa ne beka ko fa asem abo
na say
ni sem no bi wo no mo ahu say o kasa ahiafo yes kafo ye kasa na ahiafo ka bi say no kacha abronye no enkrofo adwen ma so.
Oh, that's not the end. Nipa ni sumuni mse no tie deda. Enu nti na nkrofo bi pena asem no nkrofo bi so ye Ghana Trump cause omomu kasa prim no filters.
Ba
to an electorate and obi or to aba no hu na obeka say akoyi die oka asem no se na tie. Enya fe na obeye kokoasa onye hwe enya fe na obeye motru modwum o kire oni suban. And also a new form of political strategy and nkrofo bi pe
unim se betumi ha hwe mame ma example emre bi na me ne me adwuma kasapa fm na me ne Afia Schwarzenegger na adwuma na Afia Schwarzenegger ye mid morning say that time no ni delay on tokwa bi and Afia Schwarzenegger ka bibi wo radio so na masema Afia Schwarzenegger kan he say an delay enye de ehia ne ya fa ya wo unim se eyen tokwa wo ne delay and I kuna waka se fire war that time so na madam fu bi so worry for so many years ono so opa wo a no wa tuning in a wotie yen radio so en me feeling man obeka so ni delay na enya asem na aka che delay say enye ni fire war because wo dey twa obi mpoa ebi a delay crowd in fan ho but all listeners bi wo ba bi a o tie o sa time na ebi o pe radio no ba wo ka se fire war no wo dey wo twa sa nipa no so mpoa enye delay nkwa na ne no enti so ne abro nya nya asem na abro nya aka bibi kra no ani anye ho na aka se yen sikafo ye kasa na mo ahiafo mo ka bia wonim say sa audio no da ho da obedi president no da ube so obetimi awin elections no between on Dr. Baumia obetimi awin na ye audio no de kire nkrofo sa kwa we o say ahiafo nkasa iskafo kasa ma ahiafo nka bi ebia obi wo fi a ono nso ye hiani o ono nso ko that problem no bi wo fi osu so onyansa wo fi ba o kasa iskafo wo fi ma ne nka bi when you make such a commenter say ni panon so wode no
na so audio azem de na ze Kennedy Japan benya ni audio wonye wie ono ase party na wo munye nyansafo party no person wakasa see sometimes personalities they have a lot of things enyema bebre na mo ye nipa ba go nti ukasa obeyi nyema ni mu a tena politics na ye no obi akasa obedi Kennedy Japan echi no kwa de Kennedy Japan pa obetimi edi watem obetimi edi ehiafo watem obetimi edi ayarefo watem amanfo ayayo madwen ne say at the end of the day no good ben na menya wonimu gidie ben na menya wonimu nti mewe ni negatives na mewe ni positives Kennedy no negatives ni e okasa by heart nti obi betimi eyi nani negatives na Trump yesi e ma wa harassing only with Trump nyema bebrawa nso at the end of the day no electorate no yeah. Fully aware say this guy or see a before you know a shit whole country and so still na before koto abama no okay inti subine de ye nipa su ne buying but in conform way the negatives and the positives you know they acknowledge say some more kind of negatives ni and some more kind Kennedy de wo kasa o nya ne hu tapes a ya be bo Mahama Croy president Krambo ne kasa emre bi wan kasa wayeza aponchi aye twa ne mene de obeye bia e atem de inti ene de basto o president inti se nyama ne de e wo homum se ene ne downside ba bi mu so hwe ne upsides ne ye say yesi odisika party ni mu sika odi ashe party ni mu waboa we inti e no so
ona se omo party no ensin obi ti se Brian Champon obi ti se Hackman uso agiman mo ene nkrofo bebre omo bo party na omo nkasa e bia the only difference ni say ono ndi de obeyama party ni bia oka ene I listen to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the things asa ono nso aye de abo party no it was huge. Bobby soon I was like, hey, he was able to do all this. And oka say ono no yes anema na onka. And when him say a lot of uncrophobia be him say every day on daily basis. Street children war Accra. Dr. Baumia feed you every day. This parish or the war opposite Jubilee House. And uncrophobia be him na nense akwala bia wedi 4 years say na oye where did them when in Ipedium no or leprosarium ho Dr. Baumia Edia Kolana Co school Uncrofor say settings but they don't know say Dr. Baumia Peke Sakola no 2 years Nabusha for be abandoned Dr. Baumia Peke no I say or no yes I manu wonka enti wa ya omo kasa omo oh my way no only who say Uncrofor enti one here best oh way Kennedy Japan the obi anim say ono na eboa party no ne but until now Dr. Baumia and so ele bear any contributions no I was like hey he was doing all this enti adena de da ne handlers no omo man Uncrofor who say what you this amount of money why yes anema we nyina
ideally ahone penkasa oya de ni so oya de ye ni so kasa ho nti na wo che obi oni bia de wo kwan ho a na wo twa video a enye fe but Kennedy Japan wa man ati azeze wo yisika kasa ho and is the way I politics net here no e wo man because ideally any say Dr. Baumia na beka cho say wa bobi e ade a to ho cha de a waye ana menye so say no so nti na Dr. Baumia say ma hwe obi a wedi dem nti to abama me ene ze ne sa de anka nkofo bebre beba begina we beba begina so mo president ade na nya sai politics ne de it is the way I structure your politics no say the okasa and kasa ko echi ne e beto ama no by ideally no if say Dr. Baumia beba me ho for campaign strategy a the obey say enye one was okay was we chidi for no na dey e come on back no ono abeka na na chidi for no so ya dey aka ama no nti oni nipa bi oni oye more extroverted only an extrovert daily sada. It's very difficult because Dr. Bawumiano you better recognize in the past 8 years we've seen say he's moving from the shell. Baby, are you comfortable now? Dr. Bawumiano, you're very comfortable with economists, Nisa Anyaman as a vice president, but you see, we're moving away from that to be more exposed to the public because of a president there, you have to be exposed, but it depends on how you battle the person. Ken betimia sena Ken betimia ka say waye Dr. Bawumia pa enye no so na be ni strong Dr. Bawumia so won strong ni say wa be mu da waye nti no so de ni nyina wo ho ba the end of the day na make can say pink sheets a long list of nyema ye beto amobi nti Ken no strength na be focus here. Dr. Bawumia so won strength trumps over Ken there no. This is not to say I'm a supporter of Ken or Dr. Bawumia. I mean so me dey me tinchen and me hwe de eko.
Okay, abusiafo my friend Kwame lawyer. Yeah, oye lawyer o Ghana obesua ade wo McGill University wo Quebec wo Montreal Canada hanomum. Na emriko animu no beti me ne nkomo bebre sounds from afar so ene yedi nkomo kakra about Ghana politics menim say emriko animu no ebeye anije ene ohwe mechi anomo hu say Ghana for the ntwene ne ade aba begu hanomum Ghana for wo Prince George no eniji sam ne say pani a wono no e mayor owo city of Prince George. I invited Ghana for say Ghana for mra Prince George na Prince George city anomo na no meshi jama enti Ghana for na sha se eba han kakra no mamemfa Maracas nchireo enti enche bia Ghana for ebe shi jama hanemo enti sesi ayi de meja hanemo na fei yakwa akosha se ne ashi jama abrofo na ba omo twen jama no nti yebekwa akoshi jama de achiredi amje so eni kweko pare de ro yedamo ase bebre se mo kan ye ho. Okay, bye bye.
This is Kennedy of Japan. Opeso to Franca and the New Patriotic Party. People lose election no nipa bebre akeka no ma bebre ABC arrogance ABC free napo ABC na nado dan kwakufu ado ABC free ha eno ye nkofo de omoka but the party no ankasa at a committee in the person of Professor Michael Kwame and the committee our name and affluent people and respectable people in the party investigating the reason why my New Patriotic Party lose election. Professor Michael Kwame committee report ni enyama abonte but leaks ni biaba leaks na ake kan se bebebe but the party na ba abonte abeka say leaks na ba abonte nya ne kre. You get me? So they said the Professor Kwesi Botwe report ne ba ya ye ka say enya ne kre no nini na aye pe enti we are treating it like that. Okay, now Enkofo bo owura akompre kwa Japan obo bono sobo say waka wo bi na man New Patriotic Party lose election. One, obo the 2 days and the ebono jedi kan omo say ye beto aba no ensem anu okeka de fa time no omo contest elections no ensem anu deliberately no okeka de fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho na nye eti ye beto aba na NDC for boss ade no eti a disadvantage New Patriotic Party mutie ni yo say once and simply no kika for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wasn't good. 2, how much I say after see a 2 abanu we no flag bearership no obejoine campaign no he was working underground against the party contacting his people about 2 abanu man say people should not go and vote. We don't know say as more can I say no cre say enya no cre but something has happened which make Mr. Akompre Japan honorable His Excellency made that leaders to say he should act swiftly and quickly. And yes, sir, it will create a problem for him. Now let's watch Atta Ajiman quickly. Let's watch Atta Ajiman, the infographic. This man is called Atta Ajiman. He's a numerologist. What the numbers and the social confusion bremuniade. Recently was saying NPP future hangs solely on Kennedy and Japan. Numerologist Atta Ajiman. Okay, so this man essay NPP dachi nano is Kennedy Japan na bas na beti. Eti that Kennedy Japan NPP cannot flourish. This is Atta Ajiman, and this man everybody knows that when your NPP ni mapa or support Kennedy or Japan. Now, Papa will say, I appear in the video. I'm going to show you this video. It's just about 10-second video, and it's a very serious. West Canada Japan should act on it. Let's watch that video. Quickly.
Because Lydia could miss about 12, and I say, do baby, now how they come from.
Some of us, I see a June, especially, Nami was simple, one I'm assuming can see, especially. Second, we need primaries in the Kurano. Yeah, were Juma Bia, Sabi, you could be NDC for MPPS, yes, I reverse in. And yes, I have part in the says.
Hey, bring me back. This is very serious. This man was saying, they were talking about this. The guy no interview him. Mimi, your friend Shaibu or Ashe Family Kumasi. Them Shaibu baby will be a mechacha. Okay, they were talking about a researcher about Bontia Chesam or Canada Japan was leading the poll to become a NPP flag bearer. Okay, whatever. So I don't know what Busane say sir. Po na abana Canada Japan lead no obetimi lead ya kopem say yebekọ akoto abano flag bearership abano and flag bearer abano and was say even say Canada Japan we need flag bearer no pa adwuma bi wo ho no mo a ese say NPP omo no eye na senye adwuma be na eso mo ye was senye yebu bi yakoka NDC fo ho ye adwuma ni ti a NPP no witie ye Yamu be a coca NPP NDC for who ye do matia NPP no. SSA, the breaking sardine nessa apart in the best abba. A Juma Bay or can I say, was he a coti NDC for it, or can I say, be or ye NPP ni? So means that there's some NPP people or join NDC, echo ye Juma Ditia, new patriotic party. It's established. Per what this man is saying, it's established. And this is very serious. You get me? And was say, Yakoye, Juma Biditia, NPP for a Juma Bay. You get the Tia NPP, a Juma Bay, 80 and Kofu accuse or racket the Japan say, he worked against the party underground during the election. As I say, Oba Bonting, ever disowned this guy. And so Oba Bonting, not to say, tell me a church I want to be, upon such I want to be someone what can the Japan. I say, Bia, Nany or Catcher Canada Japan, or Canada Japan, funny say, one funny say, Chama wound to me, I am an enemy, holy enemy within the party. It's because of that, you know, Yabona Yamono, and I say, Yoko Fortune, a harassing on my also that make a coco cosran. No, a coin, Nipa Bakubia or support Canada Japan in the person, your friend. I don't know the dead guy, a Tete. One white tete be Mr. Dini Bekai. Your friend Tete, what can say, wound to me a yachano, wound to me a yachano, what deserve was a channel, what deserve was a decide in Yano, the wound to me ni papa, or reckon that the Japan came out quickly to condemn it. Or condemn us, I don't know, one phone was a wound to me and Aduma so I'm edging or reckon that the Japan say, as some branch and a kayano, because of this election, and look at the video where say, Mario. But next week, side video will be called viral. Video will say we'll go and hit or work at the Japan. It's to Papa come out and deny this guy because already Kofu accused you say you worked underground against NPP. Anything NPP for Nipa over 2.something million. They said that you worked against them. You get me? And this guy, interview, your publicist, and this guy, your stand member. Or Canada Japan or support too. And I know sad Danchaya, apart from so support to Canada Japan, or say NPP was say a second poverty we need flag bearer. There were Jume Bia, Yakoka NDC for one Yeditia NPP. We need to see a co breaking. This is very dangerous. Sadio started call outer. Now your opponent in a chassis so sad you. No more than no matter to Twasia, it will disadvantage Iraq and Japan, and it will actualize. And someone will catch and say he worked underground against the party. A Juma, ye Yakwaka NDC for who you did TI NPP. This is some way. You were second winning pa. You were Juma beer as a CIA. Say some of us ye cocody, ye cody NDC for a year Jumaditia NPP in a casado. Was he a coyer, Yakoka NPP NDC home at the year Jumaditia NPP. As I see a reverse sardina, as a party the best ever. That's it. Ni patriotic party. Somebody said it, that it will take them 3 cycles of election. I said about power. I'm telling you about here. Party because they don't support the general secretary, they don't support the national executives, they don't support the past executives, they don't support almost support to a beer party now looking like Jesus Christ. A beer is a party are taking decision or Baba person made the America run election. New patriotic party. NDC, almost is out. NDC. A shedu ketia kasa, John Mahama cry at Yase. Shedu ketia kasa, Mahama cannot dispute it. Party in structures here, Duma. Now, what your mania executives are, a be your lawyers, full of lawyers, and the measures to go, I must see young penny. And no money. What say? A Duma beer, you move be your coca and DC for whom a yeditia and people. As I see a breaky sardine, you break it at Essa Apart in Besam, a Duma Bay, and your Duma Bay, from